Up for sale, I got a 59 Ford Galaxie 500 Sunliner convertible. A mouthful to say the least. Up for sale. Gonna walk around it, show you some of the flaws, tell you more about it, fire it up, and then we'll drive it. So if you like the video, please leave a like and subscribe if you want to see more. So it's a 59 Ford Galaxie Sunliner Galaxie 500 convertible with its all original chrome in excellent condition. It is powered by its highly desirable 352 300 horsepower motor, original to the car, with its original carburetor. So like I said, it's original 352 300 horsepower. You know, there's a couple of chips on the car. It's a very unmolested car. All original. A couple more touch-ups, and then another few chips right there. You know, it's paired with a 3-speed manual transmission from the factory, which is a little on the uncommon side to get with your convertible. Most of it does automatics. A little cracking in the paint. It looks to be a 1 repaint enamel paint. Long time Arizona owned, long time, and then bought by a gentleman in Alabama who owned the car for a while. It was his personal car. He kept it in his collection. Really nice door panels. The plate is still there, and look at this. This is very rust-free in these areas where rust is notorious. Has what is believed to be its original steering wheel. Excellent dash. Very, very nice. Finished in Geranium and Colonial white with matching interior, the black to match the top, which looks to be on the new side. I wouldn't say brand new, but on the new side. Very nice condition, no rips, no tears in it. All nice carpet, nice door panels, nice dash. Like I said, all the chrome is original and beautiful. The gorgeous chrome fender skirts. Thick white walls. Radial tires. A little cracking in the paint right there. And a little touch up right there. The body is laser straight. An interesting thing about what I'm seeing here is the car looks like it's never, being from where it's from, you know, Arizona a long time, Alabama a long time, it doesn't look to be ever rusted out. Doesn't look to have any rust repairs on the body. Excellent sounding dual exhaust. Again, all that really pretty original chrome. The trunk compartment is excellent, rust free, with the trunk mat, with a spare, and some expensive, I don't know, you'll see it in the picture. I lost my train of thought for a second. Weather stripping. Some expensive trunk weather stripping that's included. Not trunk weather stripping, but weather stripping in the trunk, that is included. Like I said, it's a 352 300 horsepower, so it's the biggest motor you could get in this car. There's a little chip right there on the glass. Just a little bit of cracking here on the seat, right here. Other than that, all the interior is excellent, really. It's a former power top, which does not work, unfortunately. So now it's manual top, which does function. I will have it down soon. Again, all the carpet's really nice. Door light works. So like I said, 352, 300, 3-speed manual. Little tiny scuff right there. Geranium, Colonial white, matching factory interior. I'm going to pop open the engine soon, show you that. And we'll fire it up and then we'll drive it. So if you enjoyed the video again, please leave a like and subscribe. And we'll fire it up now and drive it. Thank you. Here we go. The 352, 300 horsepower. Original carb. Fire it up now. Any day. Yeah.